Welcome back, everyone. This video will discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers, so please make sure you pay close attention so you know how to complete the assignment, and also feel free to pause or rewind the video as needed for help with your entrance ticket. So your first question is, what is a found object? And a found object is an object that an artist finds and keeps because of their interest in the object. Now, down below, you can see in the center, you can see these piles of found objects here, these what look like metal scraps. But this artist thought that they would be interesting, and this artist used them to build an artwork from. So when you're creating a recycled artwork, you're always making it from found objects, from objects that you find to be interesting. And the artist Sewell created the artwork called Large Dog, where he took piles of these scraps and he created a sculpture of a dog using those materials. And what makes it so interesting is that we're looking at an image of something that we're used to seeing often in our everyday lives. Animals are part of many people's families. We see them on television, we see them down the street, we see them in people's homes. But this time we're seeing it portrayed in a way we're not used to, portrayed with different metal objects and things that we usually would not see making an image of a dog. And on the right, you have an image of this hawk or this falcon perched up on this little post here that is also made out of metal. So you have two different artworks that are made using found objects in this example, just to help build your understanding of the word and how it applies to art itself. So that's the first slide. And then your next slide is transformation. Transformation is basically the process of changing the shape or appearance of something to create the final product. So you first find the found object and then you transform it into something else. So down here you have two artworks where on the left you can see this horse trotting in this field. That's made of nothing but basically twigs and materials from trees. And over here you have a Coca-Cola can, an everyday soda can that the artist used to cut and build this race car out of at the bottom. So both the Coke cans and the twigs and branches were transformed into those projects. So again, first you have the found object, then you transform them, and then lastly you have your sculpture that was made from those objects. So those are your two words for today. These are your last two vocabulary words for the unit. Please make sure you review all the vocabulary for next class's learning log, because you will need to answer all the definitions for all the words. But either way, please make sure you complete your entrance ticket for today using these two definitions. Submit that and then spend the rest of the class working on your cardboard relief. I look forward to seeing how your cardboard reliefs are coming together. If you finished early already and you're wondering what am I supposed to do if I'm finished, please just complete a free drawing assignment and submit a photo of that drawing so you can earn your 3 points for completing work in class today. Otherwise, everyone else should be working on their project. And don't forget to submit your final project to the Day 6 folder under the cardboard relief final project assignment. So sometimes people are done and they email it to me. I'd much rather you please attach it to the assignment in next class's folder so I can grade it easily and there'll be no issues with the grade. All right, that's all I have. Please make sure you complete your entrance ticket into your project, and otherwise I will talk to you soon. All right, bye guys.